Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with our outlook for May 5th, 2016. For your Thursday, we're going to keep these clouds in place today. Unfortunately, we're still stuck in this mega blocking pattern that is sitting over the center of the country. This is keeping us in the trophy side of things and very unsettled. Now, we will have an area of low pressure that's going to be offshore. That's going to be this big system out here. That'll be far enough offshore it'll stay away from the area. We have another area of low pressure that's kind of sitting over western Pennsylvania. This is going to eventually move down to the south like this, and then up here like this in this direction. It's going to take its time doing that, though. It's not in a hurry to move, but you will see we are clear on our side, not as far as the clouds are concerned. Still going to have those, but we are going to have a break in the rain action, and we're expecting that to lead to a mostly dry day today. So go a little bit forward from this point. We'll show you that still a threat for some spotty drizzle or mist throughout the day. This system's going to pull off to the northeast. This is now looking at Thursday evening. You can see just some very light grays here. It might indicate a few spotty drizzle or mist showers, but other than that, we're not looking at anything concentrated. This area of low pressure is going to continue to round the base of the trough here like the first one did, and we're going to get this reorganizing off the Carolina coastline. This will move to the north, though, and we're going to start getting an onshore flow because this system is sitting right here. It's not particularly strong, but you do have a counterclockwise flow around low pressure like this that's going to bring waves of precipitation on Friday. Might start on Thursday night already. It's going to come across our coverage area in waves. And you also have another more concentrated wave, it looks like, coming in for Friday afternoon through the evening hours at the very least. Might be late evening or first part of the overnight before that ends. But we do have that area of rain coming in overnight, and here you can see that. Here's a look at Friday evening where you can see the more concentrated rain coming in, and it's just going to be a constant onshore flow at that point, and just another wonderful day. That's my sarcasm coming through there for Friday, and then again on Friday night. But then we do see an opportunity for some early clouds and drizzle mist kind of hanging around Saturday morning. I do think it remains cloudy, maybe if you're lucky mostly cloudy. You might get a few peaks of sun late in the day, but I'm not holding my breath for Saturday. We will have another system coming in here for Sunday that's going, or actually Saturday night after midnight into the wee hours of the morning. Sunday morning, it's going to bring a cold front through. It's going to finally sweep all this out of here and change this pattern around a little bit. Let's go over to the NAM high-res future simulator radar. We're going to time today, and I do want to show you this because there are some short-range models like the NAM that is indicating that this might come in a little bit sooner, and we might be dealing this with the evening rush as early as that. Here is early in the morning hours and in the afternoon. Really nothing going on yet, and then we start seeing some spotty stuff here. This probably would be just the spotty rain, spotty drizzle and mist that I was talking about that could take place, and that's what's really indicated here toward dinner time. And then you get into the overnight, it might start turning into actual showers that are going to be rotating through. And then we get into Friday, we get a more concentrated area of showers. It's going to come in two waves. You'll have one early in the morning, it looks like, and then you're going to have a second wave that's going to come in here later in the day with that constant onshore flow. That's going to go through at Friday afternoon, mid-afternoon, through the overnight period for that second wave of rain. So 2 waves of rain on Friday is really what we're looking at. Going back to the globals now, we'll show you this cold front coming through. This has been moving faster in the last couple runs here. This is Saturday evening, and you see nothing going on in our coverage area here. If there is an opportunity for a very brief peak of sun, it is possible. It would be toward the end of the day here on Saturday, and that's what we're looking at right here. Here's that cold front coming through, association with this area of low pressure moving off to our north. That is going to press eastward overnight, so you get some showers probably after midnight on Saturday night, and then ending very early Sunday morning. Here's Sunday morning, and you see really not too much going on here. The front is sitting back here like this, coming through. So here's your cold front, here's your low pressure right here. So this is going to come through. All these clouds are going to clear out called mid to late morning, and I think it's behind this. We're going to have improving conditions on Sunday. We will see the sun on Sunday, especially in the afternoon, and we will get back to close to near normal temperatures for this time of year, we think, on Sunday. And then once this front comes through, we warm up for a couple days. It's going to be a nice day here on Monday. Same thing here on Tuesday. We're going to have a warm front that's going to move through, looks like Monday night. and that should stay. The precipitation with that right now is modeled to stay to the north of the area. We'll have to keep an eye on that, though. But you can clearly see what's going on in this image here. You have an area low pressure out to our west. Your warm front is situated up here like this. And this, of course, has a cold front with it out here. So because of that, you have just have nothing but warm air coming in here. So you're going to have a surge of warm air, especially the warmest day is probably going to be on Tuesday, with temperatures challenging 80 degrees down here by the Philadelphia area. So we'll be definitely warming up for at least for a couple days as we get into early next week. Might have some more shower chances once this system comes through in the middle of the week, and then another one toward the end of next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for May 5th, 2016. Have a great Thursday.